I want to analyze my data by creating multiple pivot tables simultaneously with the least amount of effort using built-in artificial intelligence in Excel. I'm using Microsoft 365 and my file is saved to OneDrive. Autosave is turned on, and then I click on Copilot on the Home tab. I will be prompting Copilot to create 4 pivot tables in a new worksheet using the sales data table. In the first pivot table, I want the revenue by product. In the second one, I want the revenue by region, then the revenue by manager, and then I want monthly trends. So I write my prompt where it says allow editing, and I send my prompt and wait for the magic to happen. A new worksheet is created. I can see the first pivot table, then the second one, the third one, and the fourth pivot table. I didn't have to do anything. Pivot tables created by Copilot have a colorful outer border using the same colors like the Copilot icon. Copilot took 2 minutes to create the 4 pivot tables I requested. They are real pivot tables, so I can use the pivot table field list to restructure each one of them as needed. In the next module, we create a dashboard out of these pivot tables.